Balmesmayele, and for today's video, it's going to be another unboxing video. And this time, I'm going to be unboxing my light stick. My BTOB Lightstick. I can't comprehend this, you guys. You know, it still feels so surreal that I have a light stick now. Like, is this even real? Am I dreaming someone pinched me? Ouch. Okay, without further ado, kasi ayoko nang dumaldal, ayoko na umabot to ng 10 minutes. The goal of this video, or like my goal, is to make this video less than 10 minutes because my video is getting freaking long. And yeah, daldal ko kasi. Anyways, this is the package. It's really big, as in, really big. As in, let's compare it to this clear book. It's almost the size of that clear book, you know? And nung inuwi ko siya, funny story, nung inuwi ko siya is, alam mo na bag ko is this big thing and a reviewer. Yun lang. And as in, it took up the whole space of my bag. It was really big and bulky, and I'm really excited for this. And yeah. So this time I got my merch once again from 𝓗𝓪𝓵𝓵. And actually pala, by the way, remember the This Is Us album unboxing? I said they have no freebies, but actually they do have freebies, and it's in here for the This Is Us freebies. So yeah, I'm so excited. I'm opening it now. It's hard to open. What else do I want to say? Also, I was trying so hard to hide this from my mom, because if she knew that I bought something like this, she's gonna be freaking killing me, you know? And then one time, nakita niya ito, and she said, ano na naman yung binili mo sa online? And I was just like, ayun, something B2B, ganun lang, ganyan. And she was like, tumigil-tigil na sa pagbili ng kabulahang bagay. And, you know, I was just laughing it off, you know. Kasi all this time, I was buying all these B2B things. They didn't know I was buying it, so guilty. But yeah, okay, wait, ang hirap niyang buksan. Let me get back to you pag natanggal ko na siya sa box. See, it's very fragile, diba? Yay, it says BTOB Lightstick. And this is probably the freebies, so let's open it. Wait. Ang gulo ng buhay. This was probably the light stick from before. It's kept in a envelope. This was the light, probably the freebies for this and for the This Is Us. Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh! Is this a joke? Ala, oh my gosh, ate! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It's like a transparent. Okay, ooh, that's me. It's like a transparent photo card, and it's 𝓵𝓏. And then I also have this BTOB Polaroid, and at the back it has their names. Wow, thank you po. I love this so much. And this is Minyuk. Wow, wow, thank you very much po. Look at this. I love this transparent card. Wow. And I have this. It's this. I'm also gonna be keeping this because, you know, I'm such a diva. Oh, yay! Ang cute. Thank you very much po. And now we're on to the actual light stick. Okay, dami ko pong kalat na iniwanan dito sa tabi. But, it's like bigger than my face. Diba? Nataklaban na niya ang mukha ko. Wow! So this is the outer covering or the box. And ayan, it says Lightstick version 2. Their names. And then there's this big CD thingy. Vinyl looking thing. Ayan. There's their logo. Okay, there's this product specification in here. Let's read that. Model BTOB Lightstick version 2 light mode off on blink and flicker. Minimum operating time 5 hours. Power 3A. Size is 120 by 127 by 263 millimeters. Bluetooth version, Bluetooth 4.1, wireless control, blah 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 blah. And oh my gosh, ito na talaga guys, the moment of truth, the moment of freaking truth. I'm so excited. And medyo mahirap po siyang buksan. I'm so scared. Mahirap siyang buksan eh. Ayan. So, we have this. Wait, ayoko muna tingnan. So, here we have some battery. We have some battery instructions. And they're in Korean. Pero, of course, magkagayas naman natin yun, diba? Somehow. And, here we have another instruction. Pero guys, this is what I'm seeing. It's like saying, hello, Mayel, hello, Mayel, hello, Mayel, hello, Mayel. Wow. I don't know how I would open this. But, let's try it this way. Let me try to, how do I open it? I'm opening the back side then. Yung baba. Hindi ko alam kung saan siya ipupo. So, pinush ko po siya sa ilalim. And yay! It's here. It's finally here. Okay. So, paano ko po siya tatanggalin dito? Okay. Wow! Oh, it came with... Wait. This feels like a joke, guys. OMG. And it looks like a flower. Today. What the heck? Ala, hoy guys. Ayan po, natanggal po siya. Oh shit. Natanggal siya. Ano ba ito ilagay? It's removed. That's just sad. Wait, ayusin natin. Ah, hindi ko siya maayos. Ah, nakakaiyak. Pero sticky pa siya. Wait. Ay, hindi ko siya makabit ng ayos. Hindi ko siya makabit ng ayos, you guys. Wait, tatanggal siya eh. Let me try gluing that later. Okay, I think may problema lang yung carrier. Let's just think about it like that. And, yan, nandito yung pindutan. Yan, let's try to open this. I'm so scared I'd break it. Pero guys, grabe, natanggal yung ano yung nasa taas. How do I fix that? Help po, ate, help. How do I open this? So, I have my AAA batteries. Okay, wait. Feeling ko kasi pag ginanon ko siya, biglang baka i-secure ko pa ulit siya. Kasi kawang kasi yung nasa taas, guys. Ay nagkawang siya. So, 1, 2, 3. Wow! Wow! And let's try the flicker mode. BTOB 𝓗𝓮𝓵𝓵 𝓵𝓚. Oh yeah. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. I have the light stick. Oh my gosh. And I've seen some weird modes. It doesn't work. How do they activate the color changing thing? Nakita yung video na eh. Pero oh my gosh! Wow! And Cube Entertainment Made in China, Born to Beat, Official Light Stick. Wow! 𝓬𝓸𝓫. B2B! Young Wani! Wait, papatayin ko yung ilaw. So, I just turned off the lights. Wow! I'll be part of a blue ocean someday. Someday. B2B, Young Wani, 𝓵𝓸𝓵. B2B, Young Wani, 𝓵𝓸𝓵. 𝓵𝓸𝓵, 𝓵𝓻𝓭, 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 𝓻𝓮𝓵, B2B. Woo! And that's it for my unboxing video. I was just a bit sad kasi nga po natanggal po yung taas na part. And I don't know how I would fix that. Let's see later. Pero ayan po siya. Yay! And it comes with this. The strap. It's just a Born to Beat strap. So yun, bye-bye! Oh guys! Oh my gosh, that feels so nice. Update, nalagay ko na po yung strap. Yan. Tapos, nabalik ko na rin po yung nandito sa taas. Apparently, kanina kaya hindi siya mag-fit is because baligtad yung pagkalagay ko sa kanya. Like yung white side yung showing. So, dapat pala is yung gray. And this is how it looks like right now. Tanan! So pretty. Naman na may puta. It looks like the morning glory flower, diba? And then this is the trumpet bong. Like you guys, can you even imagine paano pag nag-release ang BTOB ng Lightstick version 3? Grabe. I don't know what I would feel kapag biglaan sila nag-release ng bago. Which is, feeling ko hindi pa naman. So, yon. And there's this feature na makikita mo yung iba't ibang colors niya. Kasi diba, usually pag concert, nag-change siya ng color sa Bluetooth. So, this is how you do it. You press the logo for 10 seconds.
One eternity later.
It's not working. Come on. Yay! Those are the different colors. Let's try that again because it looks so nice. Ay! Sorry. Yee! Those are the different colors. I really wish I would be part of those multicolor, very beautiful ocean in the future. So that is it for this video. I hope you like this unboxing. Goodbye. Wait. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Bye.